Hey guys, so I came out to work on the storage space on the Harley, and we picked up a new tool. I just got paid out by YouTube again, not much, 100 and some bucks, but I thought we'd take a look at it. I spent more in the accessories than I did on the actual tool. Let me show you, hang on. Alright, so here we have it. Zoom in. MIG welding. And you're like, okay, what is it? Obviously, this is the PDMAX MIG 140 DV MIG arc welder. It's kind of cool. It's 110 220. I figured we'd crack into this. I bought a 2-pound spool of 030 wire. This is gasless flux core. This is a gasless flux core welder. I don't think there's any provisions for gas. That's fine. I'm gonna show you everything else. I'll tell you the price, and then I'm gonna tell you the price of this. This was 30 bucks at Harbor Freight, deal. Then I got some welding gloves. I picked up the TIG ones. They're a little bit more comfortable down in the hand. They fit a lot better than the MIG gloves, you know. And at some point I might want a TIG. I don't know. I don't really think it's gonna be that big of a deal. So I picked these up. These were like 20 bucks. And we've got the titanium 7-inch square auto darkening welding helmet. This has got that true color technology, so it's more like you know, the colors come out, so it's not just like monochrome. This was $69, $69, $79, something like that. I purchased the 1-year warranty for 16 bucks. This shit breaks in a year. You scratches, whatever, bring it right back. And then, okay, so you're like, okay, well, then how much was the welder, right? I spent $140 on my accessorize, right? I got this from TEMU for $66. You know, the de minimis loophole is closing on TEMU, you know, tariffs and all that. So if you were looking for one, I would just snatch it up. I'll see if I can take a screenshot of the seller page and all that. But yeah, it was super cheap. I can't even believe it. So let me get you in the stand, and let's open this up and see what comes with it. I just guessed that I was going to need a spool of wire. So let me put you in the stand. Hang on. All right, here we go. Let's dig in. It's got this wrap on it. Let's get that off first. This came quick too. It was like a week, and it came FedEx. I was actually kind of shocked. So, okay, there we go. Yeah, this won't last long. I think May 1st, we're coming up here on a week. May 1st, I think, is it for these de minimis tariff stuff from China. All right. Ooh. And it's nice and, let me move you in closer. Nice and sunny today. It's like 76. It's crazy. Okay. Can you see that? You can see it. MIG welding machine. Okay. Looks like we got some extra spare parts. Oh, they did give us wire. 2 pounds. A5.20 E71 TGS. What does this say? E71 TGS. Oh, so it's the same. It's the same shit. It's, you know, well, not technically the same, but it's the same size and everything. That's cool. They gave us a 2-pound spool. Oh, they gave us a little brush and a little hammer. Let's see here. Strap to put it on your shoulder, I guess. All right. Here's the MIG gun. Okay, so it's not super long. That's what she said. That looks pretty self-explanatory. All right. Okay. Easy peasy. This is our ground clamp. Let's see how shitty or good this is. Well, I mean, it looks alright. It's not the cheapest thing I've seen. I'm actually kind of surprised. I don't know, who knows what it looks like under here, but we're calling it good enough. Oh, aha, it comes with a, so this thing will do stick arc welding too, apparently. Gross. I mean, I guess. Any port in a storm, right? I don't know. I won't be using that. At all. At all. Bikini atoll. Alright. Pull this out of here. Oh my god, look how small this thing is. I kind of didn't believe it. Let me catch this foam over here before, or bubble wrap before it flies away. Alright. Wow. Wow, guys. I was not expecting this to be so tiny. Oh, shit. Alright. Let's cut this cord. Wow. Look at this. PDMAX. This is... I mean, looks pretty dead simple to me. Spool goes here, adjust your tension there. However that works. I can't get over how small it is. Okay, let's look at the controls. We got min-max volts, min-max current. This is an IGBT inverter, MIG arc welder. I'm seeing negative and positive, and this must be, oh, this is the connection for the, that's the trigger, right? So my big thing was, can we, uh-oh, hear that? We got spare parts. That's never good. I'm gonna have to open this thing up before I plug it in. I was thinking about plugging it in, but not with, can you hear that? Something rattle around in there. All right, so that's it. So now we can do, like, we can work on Trevor's frame on the 350. We can get that fixed up and get the seat latch on there and the key latch and all that business. And we may have other needs, but I was like, you know what? For $66, let's give it a try. The cheapest one at Harbor Freight is like, I don't know, $175 or something. Let's try it. You know, for my very first one, this is my very first MIG welder I've ever owned. Not the first time I've used one, but first one I owned. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get back to working on the bike, and just thought I'd take you along, unbox this thing, see how cool it is. We'll see you in the next episode. All right, easy. All right, you guys want to see inside of this thing? Just got our power supply, and that's it. Now there's nothing else in here, and you're like, okay, well, what was in there? It looks to be a riv nut. You see that? I don't know where it came from. It doesn't look like it fell off anything. I don't know. Spare parts, I guess. I have no idea. Let's I kind of gave this a once over. I'm not gonna stare too hard at it. Let's I'll put it back together, and at some point we'll find out if it works. But I just didn't want extra parts laying around in here. See you guys. Easy.
I am iron.